Sophia, my student asked me yesterday, why can't I understand movies even though I know all the grammar?
Oh, classic problem.
Right? And I realized she's been studying sentences, not phrases.
That's the difference. Real English is all about natural phrases.
Exactly. So today we're doing something practical. 20 essential A2 phrases you'll actually hear and use every day.
And we're teaching shadowing technique, so listeners can practice pronunciation right along with us.
No boring textbook sentences, just real phrases that unlock real conversations.
Let's do it. Here's why phrases beat vocabulary lists. Native speakers don't build sentences word by word.
We use chunks, pre-made phrases that flow together.
When someone says, "How are you doing?" we don't think how plus are plus you plus doing as four separate words.
It's one unit, one phrase with its own rhythm and meaning.
And that's what today's 20 phrases are, complete units you can drop into conversations immediately.
These aren't random phrases either. We chose phrases you'll use this week.
Greetings you'll say today, questions you'll ask tomorrow, expressions for sharing how you feel.
And here's the shadowing part. We're going to say each phrase and you repeat it exactly as we say it.
Match our speed, our rhythm, our intonation. That's how you build muscle memory for natural English.
Ready to start? Let's hit greetings and goodbyes first.
First phrase, how are you doing? Now this is different from how are you.
How so?
How are you doing is more casual, more American. Listen, how are you doing?
Notice the rhythm. How are you doing? The stress is on doing.
Everyone listening, repeat after me. How are you doing?
Next phrase, what's up? This is super informal.
What's up? Notice how what's blends together. It's not what is up.
Repeat, what's up?
Third greeting, nice to meet you. This is for first meetings.
Nice to meet you. The stress is on meet.
Shadow us, nice to meet you.
Now goodbyes. See you soon.
See you soon, nice and friendly.
Repeat, see you soon.
Another goodbye, take care.
Take care. Very warm and caring.
Shadow, take care.
5 phrases down. These greetings work in 90% of social situations. Now let's move to everyday scenarios. Situation, you're ordering food. Essential phrase, Could I have
a coffee, please? Very polite.
Listen to the intonation. It goes up on have, then down on please.
Everyone repeat, could I have a coffee, please?
Next, asking for location. Where is
the bathroom? Stress on is.
shadow? Where is the bathroom?
More polite version, excuse me, where is?
Excuse me, where is the subway? Excuse me gets your attention first.
Repeat, excuse me, where is the subway?
Now the difference between excuse me and I'm sorry.
Excuse me is for getting attention or moving past someone. Excuse me.
I'm sorry is for apologizing. I'm sorry.
Very different. Excuse me, shadow it.
I'm sorry, your turn.
Another essential, how much is this?
How much is this? Stress on much.
Repeat, how much is this?
When you need help, can you help me?
Can you help me? Friendly tone.
Shadow, can you help me?
And when you don't understand, I don't understand.
I don't understand. Clear and honest.
Repeat, I don't understand.
These phrases handle shopping, asking directions, getting help, your survival toolkit. Now let's get into expressing yourself.
Time to share opinions. Agreement phrase, I think so too.
I think so too. Shows you agree.
Shadow, I think so too.
Disagreeing politely, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Gentle disagreement.
Repeat, I'm not sure.
Expressing happiness, I'm happy about that.
I'm happy about that. Genuine joy.
Your turn. I'm happy about that.
Feeling tired, I'm a bit tired.
I'm a bit tired. A bit makes it softer.
Shadow, I'm a bit tired.
Classic small talk opener, how was your day?
How was your day? Shows you care.
Repeat, how was your day?
Simple response, it was good, thanks.
It was good, thanks. Positive and polite.
Shadow, it was good, thanks.
Another response, not bad.
Not bad. Casual and common.
Your turn, not bad.
And one more essential. What do you think?
What do you think? Asking for their opinion.
Repeat. What do you think?
20 phrases, every single one usable today. But don't just listen once, you need a practice plan.
All right, quick fire review time. We're going to say all 20 phrases. You shadow each one.
Ready? Here we go.
How are you doing?
What's up?
Nice to meet you.
See you soon.
Take care.
Could I have a coffee, please?
Where is the bathroom?
Excuse me, where is the subway?
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
How much is this?
Can you help me?
I don't understand.
I think so too.
I'm not sure.
I'm happy about that.
I'm a bit tired.
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
Not bad.
What do you think?
20 phrases, 1 minute. That's your daily review right there.
Now here's how to integrate shadowing into your routine. Replay this section every morning.
Just 5 minutes of shadowing these phrases before breakfast. Your mouth learns the patterns.
And throughout your day, use them. Order coffee with "Could I have?" Check. Ask someone, "How was your day?" Done.
Each time you use a phrase in real life, it gets stronger in your brain.
Notice we didn't explain grammar. That's intentional.
You're learning through repetition and usage, not rules. That's how children learn, and it works.
In our next episode, we're building on this foundation with B1 phrases for more complex situations.
20 A2 phrases, greetings, everyday situations, expressing yourself.
Each one natural, essential, immediately usable.
Shadow them daily, use them in real conversations, watch your fluency grow.
These aren't just phrases, they're your entry ticket to authentic English communication.
Don't just listen to this episode once, make it your daily practice track.
5 minutes of shadowing every morning builds the fluency you've been chasing.
If you're ready to stop studying English and start speaking it naturally, hit that subscribe button. We're building practical fluency one phrase at a time.
Thanks for listening to Easy English Conversation.
See you soon.
Take care.